Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new Cigar Humidor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. These are super cool. Very well packaged. Alright. Let's go ahead and take it out of here. All right, and there it is. Look at that very nice glass top right there. Let's look at all the accessories and actually check it out. But man, it's very, very nice. I like this little section here on the sides for some of the other things that you may have. Part of the design right there. Very, very good quality. Go ahead and actually open it up. All right, so you go ahead and put this in here if you want to kind of divide it up any way that you like. The manual for it. Very cool. You definitely get that cedar wood smell right as I open it, so very, very cool. Let's look at these other accessories here as well. So you get the hole punch right here. You get the flat cutter right here. And then the V cutter right here. Just about all the accessories that you need to kind of kick it all off. And then we'll go ahead and actually turn on the digital hygrometer that I thought was cool right here. There it is, already on. Very cool. So like I said, some of the accessories you can just put right here on the side. Keeps it all nice and neat. And then obviously you also do get the humidifier. So if I were to actually set this up, we'll go ahead and put this towards the end. You would use this one to put the distilled water in there to activate it. And then I would use this item right here to separate it all. Just like that. And then now you can get your cigars of choice and go ahead and place them in here. Seal that up and have it in a nice display just like that. Man, that is very cool. Looks very good. All right, and this is what it looks like from the top view. As you can see, it's got that sleek glass top lid showing off your collection, and even fully loaded, it can hold up to 20 to 30 cigars comfortably without them feeling cramped. That cigar wood interior gives it that classic humidor look while also helping regulate the moisture naturally. Love that it comes with all the accessories as well. Some don't actually come with everything that you need, but so you can see if you guys are looking for like a Father's Day gift or someone who generally enjoys cigars, this would make a great gift for them. And if you guys find this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new Cigar Humidor, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.